Welcome to the adventures. All right, so we told you we were going to be doing unboxing the mattress because we got a custom mattress made for us. We're really excited about that, but unfortunately that video is not happening, so we're making you another video. The reason it didn't happen is we are out here on the road running wild. What does that mean?
Wild.
Yeah, so we had hot loads. They went to Texas. From Texas, we went to California, and now we don't really know where we're going. Hopefully back to Hagerstown, Maryland, but we don't really know. That's just the wild thing about it. So since we weren't able to get the mattress before we hit the road, then we're gonna make you don't veer, hit the deer video, because it's hunting season. Yeah, it's hunting season. It's rutting season for the deer. All the animals are just kind of going crazy, especially at dawn to dusk. They are really running and trying to either get up for the day and go find a meal.
Or get away from a crazy hunter.
Yeah, or get away from a crazy hunter. Or maybe they're trying to run and find some place to bed for the night. Point is that they are more common around this time of year. That's why it's hunting season, all right? So we want to give you a few helpful tips on what to do if a deer is out in the middle of the road and how to handle that situation. I have firsthand experience of hitting the deer in the truck. So yeah, first tip, obviously, don't veer, just hit the deer.
And why is that, you say?
Yeah, so if you decide to swerve, let's just say your first instinct is to swerve. Well, most likely, unless you're a highly trained professional like this guy, you probably didn't check the mirrors to make sure there was nobody beside you, and you're probably going to hit a car, another truck, run off into the ditch, roll your truck, hit a guardrail, hit a bridge embankment, something that is going to be a lot more catastrophic than just hitting the deer.
But
so
the
that's why you don't want to
downside to
swerve.
that is, I mean, it's your natural instinct to, if you see a deer in the road, to swerve. But what's going to hurt worse, hitting the deer head on or hitting a guardrail or a tree? So,
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah,
just,
your other instinct might be slamming the brakes. But once again, if you're not highly trained like this guy, then maybe you didn't check your mirrors and you don't realize that there's somebody following way too close behind you, and they're just gonna rear end you.
That never happens.
So don't swerve, don't slam on the brakes, just get off the gas, 2 hands on the wheel, and if you have somebody sleeping in the back like he was when I hit the deer, just yell out, "Deer!" That way, when they wake up and the first thing that comes to, they're hearing the word deer. No, I don't call him deer, so he knows that there's a deer that I'm gonna hit, and he knows what's happening. Why all of a sudden there's this huge loud sound and it sounds like we're hitting a brick wall.
That's my key. Yeah. This time to get out your ratchet straps, because we got to put the truck back together.
Yeah, so that's what happened. So don't swerve, don't hit the brakes. And also, so we did a little research for you and we found out something. So deer, that's considered a non-preventable type accident, generally speaking, on most insurance companies. So we're just going to say generally speaking, okay? So if you hit the deer, it's covered by your insurance, and you're most likely not going to get an insurance hike up in a rate increase. But if you swerve and you run off the road, hit another car, have somebody slam into you, that's a automobile accident. And then now you get to pay for the damage on their car, the damage on your truck, and it's going to affect your insurance, and the rates are going to go up.
I mean, yes, you did save Bambi's life, and he's running off through the woods laughing at you while you're hanging out of a tree somewhere, you know. So just
yeah. So for those purposes, for your own safety, other safety, and just for insurance purposes, those are really good tips about it. So when I hit the deer, I was in the left lane passing another truck. It was like 2:30, 3 o'clock in the morning, something like that, and I couldn't get over, couldn't back out of it. So there's somebody behind me, somebody next to me, guardrail, and a herd of deer were trying to cross the road, and I had no choice but to hit them, and I was hoping that I would only get one and not the entire herd. So I just got out of the fuel, let it slow down a little bit, and then just drove straight into it, ripped off the bumper, and it did drag underneath. And the thing that you have to be mindful of with doubles is that once, or even with your trailer, if it gets underneath your trailer and the legs are flying around and stuff, make sure you're checking your airlines, because that is a common thing if it does go underneath your trailer and truck, that it can rip out your airlines and things like that. So make sure that you do check those airlines if you do hit a deer. But for us, it was just our bumper, and I think we have a picture of that, so we'll show you. Like you said, he had to ratchet it up. But that's our little safety tips. Anything else you can think of?
just a yellow sign. If you see a
Oh,
deer
yeah.
crossing sign that is not put there for
The deer to cross the
you know,
street.
is a deer crossing. That means be cautious because there's been several deer hit there before. So
Yeah.
they're trying to
There's
give you
a
a
populated area that deer like to travel across the road.
warning. Yes.
So they're just telling you, not that they're telling the deer to cross there.
right.
Yeah. Because, I mean, sometimes blondes might kind of get that wrong. I never did.
No.
But all right, guys. So next week, we're definitely going to have that video for you about the unboxing the mattress and telling you all about that and big reveal. We're so excited about all of that, and we're so excited to try it. And then I think we're going to do maybe a little series on Trucker's Kitchen. Some of you asked for some ideas on some meal prep and some food ideas. So comment below, tell us if that's some of the videos you'd like to see, or if you have other video ideas, suggestions, just let us know. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. You might also want to follow us on Facebook and Instagram because we have, thanks Beeves. So we have a little more things that we share over on Facebook and Instagram. So follow us, like us over there. And until next time, guys, stay safe and enjoy the adventures.